there are not so many products that are so holistic as watches. Basically, when we design our watches, we first design the relation between you and the watch. We define what is going to be your interaction with that product. What is the function of it? What is the context you live in? And then think, okay, what are the functionalities we want to add? And so all the innovations that we have are all a consequence of that decision. For example, here we are discussing the Type 3 BB2. The reason why we did this watch and the reason why we did these innovations like putting oil inside and things like that, they're all based on the idea that we can improve the ergonomics. The Type 3, because BB2 is a Type 3, is now 10 years old. So we introduced the Type 3 in 2013. It also won the Grand Prix de Genève. And I think for us it's the product that represents best where we stand for as a brand. And here by having the BB2, we even go a step further in that, taking away even more to really dematerialize the watch even further. Go even more to the idea that expressing time has become the watch. The Type 3 BB2 is taking the ressence concept to, I would say, the most extreme way by combining and the discs, that is our patent, and the oil, that's also unique to ressence, and the black color. These three combination makes the watch completely magical. It's really like a wonder somewhere on your wrist, a mechanical product, but that feels very dematerialized, very graphical. Many people even think it's a digital watch. And so it's really this hyper minimalism that we try to integrate in the watch. And in a normal ressence watch, you will have these split lines between the discs. You will see them, but thanks to the fact everything is black, the split lines just disappear graphically, and you end up with a perfectly black surface. It seems like one thing. We are focusing on simplicity, because the more you simplify the message, the clearer it is. And what I want to do with ressence watches is I want to make them meaningful, and that will come from their functionality. But I also want to make them lovable companions on your wrist.